Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got yet another McLaren 720s in with us. We're going to be installing a Quicksilver ceramic coated catback like on the other car, but the difference is with this one, this has the factory upgraded sports exhaust from McLaren. So it's a little bit louder than a factory car, but still not as loud as what we'd like it to be. And just as a little bit of bonus, we're going to be putting the car onto the dyno for some power runs and a bit of a data logging session just to make sure the car's healthy. So yeah, let's get the car inside and let's crack on. So there we have it guys, the exhaust installed, the car sounds epic as always, the car's making good power on the dyno, the data logs are perfect, the car's running exactly how it should be. So that is the car done, and if you've liked this video, make sure you've liked, subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one.